Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2014 Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring. This is the previous generation of the CX-9. The current generation, of course, is, well, the current. This is the one right before the current generation. Crystal White Pearl is the exterior color, 3.7 liter V6 and 58,000 miles. Nice and roomy back here. Air conditioner feels great today. Access the rear seat. Pull that forward like that, and it slides forward. Oh, where's the lever? There we go. You guys good? Scratch the camera lens. Just make sure. We're good. Nice soft touch materials. All of your original manuals. Yeah, let's go ahead, put it in drive, and hit the road. I love the way this drives personally. I was a huge fan of this generation when it first came out, and I still like it a lot. The looks are very distinctive. It's just a really, really nice SUV. You do have manual shifting capabilities. For a 6-year-old car, this thing looks excellent. Tons of power from that 3.7. This is one of our certified pre-owned vehicles. 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. So this thing's still got 40,000 miles at least. 1 year roadside assistance, 1 year tire hazard replacement, and 1 year travel expense reimbursement with the certified pre-owned program we offer here at Quirk. Brake pedal, very, very nice. In traffic, really, really comfortable. No complaints whatsoever. Absolutely beautiful view here in Hingham. Rides great over these bumps. Yeah, this is an excellent car. Here's your key for it. Key's in awesome shape too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.